Is the BMW 128 Ti better than a Golf GTI? Well, let's find out in this video. I'm going to talk about what's cool and unique about the Ti, and most importantly, we're going to launch it to see how quick it is, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. Starting off with price, I found this one on Auto Trader selling for 789,900 Rand. Compared to a Golf GTI, I found this one online for 774,440. So on price, very similar, but we know some of the Golf GTIs like this one can be spec'd up to close to R1,000,000 Rand. Jumping in to the exterior of the Ti, front and rear, we've got these sporty bumpers, bespoke alloy wheels, as well as the red brake calipers all round. We've got obviously the Ti badge at the back, but you'll see it on the sides, even in the interior of the vehicle. And lastly, and very importantly, the dual exhaust, and we'll take a listen to these later in the video. So from an exterior point of view, I want to hear it from you guys. Do you think this is better than the Golf GTI or not? Let's jump inside the Ti. Inside, we've got, again, as BMW does, this big center screen, as well as the virtual dash, red stitching on the seats, as well as this all-important Ti badge in the middle. We've got M badging on the steering wheel and the kick plates. In the rear of the car, decent headroom, enough kind of space, comfortable. All around the vehicle, we've got these M seat belts with these 3 distinct colors, as well with the red inserts here. Personally, I think a better place to be in than the Golf GTI. Let's talk engine. It's powered by a 2-liter that puts out 180 kilowatts and 380 newton meters of torque. Importantly, that drives the front wheels. This is the first ever front wheel drive hot hatch that BMW produced, with an 8-speed automatic gearbox capable of doing 0 to 100 in 6.3 seconds, 0.1 second quicker than the Golf GTI. The most important part of the video, let's start her up, hear the exhaust, and test that 0 to 100 time with launch control. Let's take the Ti for a drive. That is fun, let me tell you. A nippy little beast. What's crazy is this isn't far off the 0 to 100 of my Polo GTI. That does 0 to 100 in about 6.7. As I mentioned, this is 6.3. But the sound, the drive, it's more engaging, it's planted. BM's got incredible technology that counters with a lot of these front wheel drive cars. It spins up, causing the steering wheel to shake. They have an electronic system that counters that, which is just mind-blowing, all contributing to a more engaging, fun, and dialed-in drive. Now let's see that 0 to 100 time. 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 0 to 100 in 6.98 seconds. A bit disappointing, but these BMWs do have a knack for bogging down on launch control. So what is my final verdict then? The drive of this car is amazing, but it lacks some sort of sound, exhaust, pops and bangs, and a bit more character. And I feel like when you're buying a car like this,
At least for me, that's what I'm looking for. I feel like even the launch control in my personal Polo GTI is better than this car, so would assume that the Golf 8 is the same. Technology wise and interior, this is definitely more refined than a Golf GTI, but I'm personally again buying a car for more than just that. So I would take the Golf 8 GTI over this. I, however, haven't been in one as yet, but I'll be bringing one to the channel soon so we can 100% test if I'd take that over the BMW 128 Ti. As always, a huge thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.